Okay, so I recently bought the commuter backpack from Lannis Tech Tips Creator Warehouse, and I was part of Wave 2. So receiving this kind of late, got this maybe like a week ago or so. Just haven't had time to unbox it until now. But yeah, I mean, this is not the vendor's fault by any means, but I mean, look at the delivery job, right? Like this box is bashed in multiple areas. Some guy took like a sucker punch to it. I didn't realize the Trump administration had so many angry customs checkpoint inspectors. No, more realistically, just probably another box hit it when it got tossed in. I don't suspect there to be any damage to anything inside. This is the transit company's problem, and I believe it is CPS. Okay. Oh, here's a puncture. Looks like me, that's for sure. These zips go all the way down. You have a desiccant to absorb moisture. And then here's the, I guess this is the area of holding on this bag. And on the back, you have room for your laptop and tablets and any other electronic devices. It is fairly evenly balanced if you have both pouches open. So here are the bags side by side. Notice that the LTT backpack is noticeably bigger. This bag isn't made out of typical bag materials that we're all used to. It's actually a polyester made from recycled plastic bottles. So if you're looking to add patches to this, be sure to not heat up the bag with an iron or anything of the like, as it will actually cause significant damage to this fabric. I'm a big fan of their subtle logo aesthetic. You just have a small little LTT over here on the left shoulder strap and also on the ends of the zipper pulls. You have a glasses holder up at the top. It's pretty dang big actually. I could probably fit in 2, maybe 3 glasses if I had to. Like my whole hand will fit in, no problem. The color of the inside of the bag is reminiscent of LTT orange. It's a nice bright orange color to allow you to clearly see what's inside, even in lower light situations. Each component opens up all the way down so you can fully have it flop open. And I just like filled it with a bunch of random things just to demonstrate how one may fill this guy up. Actually, I hastily placed the LTT pen over here. There's actually a dedicated pocket right over here for the LTT pen, the scribe driver. The pocket for the LTT screwdriver along with the zip. And I managed to fit in some extra bits inside the zip, which is kind of cool. I'm liking the extra space there, keeping everything all together. There is a component here that can be zipped up towards the bottom of the bag. There isn't too much depth to it. It comes out a little bit, so you could probably put this guy in here. Yeah, this guy will just barely fit. There's a little elastic kind of sleeving here. These ones, they're relatively fixed, not so stretchy. These black pockets are the stretchy ones. There's a nice little magnetic pocket here with some stitching for where the magnets are. So if you want something that doesn't just slip out, you can probably just like place it in here. So it's designed to keep anything that you don't want slipping out easily, right? Like something important like your cable or something. I don't have anything important, leave me alone. Oh, and there's another bigger pocket that goes behind the magnetic pocket. Comes out a little, not a huge amount, and it's not elastic, so keep that in mind. You have a metallic little clamp over here, and up at the very tippy top, you have a small little slot for an air tag. The cool thing with this bag is that it's designed in such a way to offer options. So if you're not a fan of putting stuff in these water bottle holders, you actually have zips on the sides that can expand to fill that space on both sides. Additionally, changes were made to this guy over here. It is designed to be tighter than the original LTT backpack. So it'll not wobble so much on suitcase handles. They just made it tight and they have it affixed to the bag itself. Doesn't seem like you can take it off. This guy you can definitely take it off if you don't like it. The back of the shoulder straps are nice and cushioned throughout and offer some spacing so you can vent through these areas so you don't have sweat buildup in any one area. These shoulder straps are similar in design. Of course, the newer backpack, the Commuter backpack, has them slimmed down some. Both have some really nice metallic strap holders to make it easy for adjustment. And then the venting portion has also changed some. That brings me to the point that the back of this backpack is designed to actually dissipate heat so that you don't maintain a very moist or sweaty back. You have fabric over here with some fins. They're concealing some fins. And these fins are intended to allow air to pass through. And then there's also, to say, there's a pocket back here. Oh, did mine not get a pocket? Oh, no, there is. Okay, here. Zip. There's a zip with a pocket back here for like your wallet. This is the RFID protected spot in the bag. So if you have any cards, it's recommended you place it back here in this like little secret compartment. It's actually really nicely hidden away. As long as you flip this little zip down, it almost seems like there's nothing here. And then the bottom has 2 layers of this bottom part. So if you wear down this first layer, you're gonna have a second one. So it'll just last longer. Also, they have double riveted the handle part. Handle is pretty firm, it's not stretchy. I think they did that for durability reasons, longevity reasons. One thing I want to point out is that this back portion of the bag has a lot more of these stretchy sleeves than I expected. I think it's mostly to keep in like cables or chargers relatively snug and fit it in here. But I just wanted to warn you, this spot is mainly designed for flat things like laptops or tablets. And you're gonna have a really hard time fitting in anything bulky like a mouse over here. So I was hoping this area may have more of these stretchy sleeves because you can just fit a lot more stuff in here. You've got a nice little stretchy zipper pocket here in this back area, and it can fit something in with a slight amount of bulk. But the problem is this entire compartment is just so thin. If you have laptops or tablets here, you're not going to have any room for even a charger, let alone a mouse. And the same goes for like the top area. I'm thinking cables or some small power bricks may be able to fit in here. But you're very limited in this rear area. So yeah, that more or less covers my preview of the new Commuter backpack. I look forward to trying it out in the next few weeks and months, and I may do a long-term review in the future. So if you'd be interested, be sure to follow for more. Thanks so much for watching.